Hey guys, Charlie with Badass Beard Care, and today I'm here to talk to you about Badass Beard Balm. Our Badass Beard Balms are made with all natural oils, butters, and beeswax to smooth your beard hair by filling abrasions, deep conditioning with hydrating butters, and to provide a thicker, well-groomed appearance and a more cohesive shape. We recommend using Beard Balm when your beard is about 3 inches or shorter for a light, natural hold. If your beard is longer or if you have a more unruly beard, you might want to check out our Badass Beard Wax, which provides a medium natural hold and is a little bit better at taming flyaway hairs. Now, we don't have any petroleum or water in our products, so a little bit goes a very long way. We recommend only using about a pea-sized amount per inch of hair, so it really doesn't take much at all to get your desired shape and feel. We always recommend using Beard Balm after beard oil to make sure to lock in the oil and provide the most benefit, and then following up with a brush and a comb to style, evenly distribute the products, and remove any excess. As always, you can find all these products at badassbeardcare.com.